In Python, the slice function creates a slice object useful for slicing containers. Let's do an example. String s equals hello. If we did s square brackets 1 colon, that would be usual slicing notation to get a subsection of the string that starts at index 1 and goes all the way to the end of the string. To use the slice function for similar behavior, you would do print s square brackets slice of 1 and none. 1 and none because if you only pass a single argument to slice, it makes that the ending index slice, not the starting index. If we run the code, we'll see ELLO. Next, we'll keep s but do start at 0 and end at 1 short of 2. So with regular slicing, that would be s square brackets colon 2. With the slice function, that would be print s square brackets slice of 2. If we run that code, we'll see he. That is because those are the characters at index 0 and 1. Last example, we'll do something slightly different to show this doesn't only apply to strings. A equals a list with 1, 2, and 3. If we wanted to use slicing to reverse the list, we would do a square brackets colon colon negative 1. With the slice function, we would do a square brackets slice of none, none, and negative 1. We need the two nones because if we only have 1 or 2 arguments in slice, none of them will be read in as a step value, which is what we want negative 1 to be. If we run the code, we'll see the list reversed. 3, then 2, then 1. As a point of clarification, strictly speaking, slice is not technically a function. Slice is a class of which we are calling its constructor and terming it the slice function. So it's up to your own philosophical leanings if you want to consider a method of an object a function. One more thing to cover, the obvious question of if this works identically to regular slice notation, then why do this? Not repeating yourself, dear Watson. Imagine you're slicing s 2 to 3 and t 2 to 3 and x 2 to 3. You're slicing all these structures the same way, but if you want to change it, you have to change them all individually. Or if you just made a slice object with 2 and 3, one change to this would change each slice. This has been Jacobication. Like and subscribe to learn more.